Jooble Freelancer Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Jooble, a global job search platform that connects freelancers with employers. You can find the links to the platform in the description below for easy access. Jooble is a unique job board that aggregates freelance and remote job listings from various sources, making it a valuable tool for freelancers looking for opportunities. Unlike traditional platforms where employers and freelancers directly interact, Jooble simplifies the process by gathering listings from a range of other job boards and platforms, ensuring that you have access to a wide array of freelance opportunities in one place. What makes Jooble stand out is its ease of use. Freelancers can simply search for job listings based on categories such as writing, design, programming, marketing, and more. The search filters are robust, allowing users to narrow down their results by location, salary, and job type. Jooble aggregates listings from well-known platforms like Indeed, Glassdoor, and others, making it an excellent choice for freelancers who want to save time searching through multiple sites. Jooble's interface is clean and straightforward, allowing freelancers to quickly browse available opportunities. You can apply directly through Jooble, which redirects you to the employer's site for the final application process. It eliminates the need to jump between different job boards, which can be time-consuming. Another important feature of Jooble is its job alerts. By setting up notifications, freelancers can stay updated on new listings tailored to their skills. This means you'll never miss a relevant job opportunity. Jooble is great for freelancers in various industries looking for a centralized platform to find new projects. If you're someone who prefers finding freelance work from multiple sources without the hassle, Jooble could be a perfect solution. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details.